What is going on, brothers and sisters? Welcome back to The Farmer Was Replaced. I feel like we're going to get into some more advanced coding today. I want to set up what I'm going to call priority farming, okay? And this definitive function is going to judge our warehouse levels up here, how many items we have, and set a max amount of items, and then it'll start to plant a different crop, okay? So for a couple of these things, I already looked through the functions to make sure I understood what I was going to talk about next. But to do this, what we're going to need to do is set get. Is it get? No, it is num items, right? Num items of items. We'll go in order, top to bottom. So hay, right? So that is less than or equal to, let's say 10,000. And I need to put an if statement over here, right? So if the number of items of hay is less than 10,000, I need this, then I want you to do snoop. Okay, you're gonna snoops. Else, elif. Let me just copy and paste this. So elif items of next is wood. So wood is less than, let's just say, like, I want to make sure it goes to, I want to make sure it kind of goes through. So let's say, I might change it after. I'll put it to 900 for a moment. So 10,000. So we'll get some hay. Elif this. Okay. And then else you're going to do beaver. Then, elif, or actually we can, actually I will do elif. No, I think I'll just do else, because then I can just kind of end this. So else, if the number of items, oh no, it needs to be an elif. So never mind, hold on. Elif, the number of items of carrots, carrot is less than, let's just say like 400 here. Donkey boy, yes. Okay. Else. Pass. Okay, so let's stop this. And hold on a sec. I deleted my other code. Snoop. Get good grass, brother. Okay. Beaver is get good wood, sister. And then Donkey Boy is Donkey Boy loves carrots. Okay, cool. So if you guys got some better names for these, let me know in the comments down below too. So now we can do, while true, priority farming. Let's see if this works. So it should start to do grass first. Yep, so we're making hay. And now it hit 10,000, so we immediately swap to wood. And once we hit 900 wood, it should swap to carrots. I might need to tweak the carrot phase a little bit, but I think it's actually fine. Okay, actually, no, it is fine. So now we're just planting carrots. Beautiful. And we'll do this until we have 400 carrots. Oh, nope. Oh, because we're going underneath our wood threshold at the same time as we're doing carrots. And now nothing's going because it's passing because we hit 400 carrots. Okay, that's good. So I think I want to make sure we're not also getting a bunch of these. So why don't we buy a bunch of carrots at a time? So let's look into that function there. That was that in functions? No. Wait, yes. So if this is gonna be hard. So move n direction. Okay, so for integer and range of n, move direction. So let's test this. So if I do a new one, we can take this. So we'll call this carrot trading. No, why don't we call this trading priority? Because I'm probably going to need this later too. Trading priority. Okay. So, define trading priority. Priority. So, if num items carrot seed. Oh no. If num items dot carrot is less than or equal to, let's say I've got a 4x4, so I'm doing 16 at a time. Let's say 10 runs. So let's say 160, right? Is less than 160. What I want you to do is I need to make a for I in range. I think this will work. In range n. For I in range n, trade move direction. Move. Oh, okay, hold on. So let's set up the let's do. I think I need to do this in multiple steps. So let's actually discard this. So define carrot trading. Okay, so we're going to define carrot trading. So if num items of items dot carrot is less than or equal to, no, we'll say, if this is less than 1, right? So if it's 0, if it's less than 1, what I want you to do is trade carrots. I don't think this will work this way. For I in range. I think I need to define it first. So hold on. So we would trade items dot carrot. Oops, carrot seed. Items dot carrot seed. And I need to actually change this to items dot carrot seed is less than 1, trade it. So this is how we define carrot trading, okay? But what if I wanted to do this like 160 times, right? So let's now define. So this is carrot. This is this like move direction for I in range of n, move direction. Maybe I do for I, define this for I in range. Instead I do for I in range of n. I want you to trade carrot seeds, okay? That's the definition of carrot trading, right? Now, I think that's it. No, that's it. So now, I don't know if I need to. Let's just, I'm not sure if I can do multiple stuff. So carrot trading, right? Carrot trading. We'll just call it this. All right, here's carrot trading. What? This? I think that's good now. Now, this will be... So let me just do this. So I want to, while true. While true. Oh, it's not capitalized. I'm like, why is that not working? While true. I want you to do carrot trading. 160. Does this work? Define carrot trading. Okay, so I think I still need an if. So if I do if num items of carrots of items dot carrot seed is less than 1 for items in range of n, do this. Okay, now does this work? No. It still makes 0 arguments. If the number... Oh, else pass. Does this work? No. Defining carrot trading, colon. So if the number of items is less than 1, I don't think I'm doing, I don't know if I can do this as an if statement. Defining move direction. Yeah, so I don't think I can do it like this. So I'm just defining carrot trading for I in range. But this is still not doing anything, right? While true, move direction for I in range, I want. So like move, I want it to do 2n. Huh, I don't think I'm doing this right. I want it to buy 160 at a time. Let's think about this. I think this is a little too complicated for me right now. So leave me a comment below letting me know what I'm doing wrong. However, I don't think I need this. It was just going to be a nice to have because I didn't want it to like continuously plant wood. You know what I mean? So what if I did this instead? Oh, I had him getting more hay. I was like, go do something while we're working. Also, I noticed while I was going, after they come off carrots, if they try to cycle back through, you can't plant hay because there's tilled soil in the way. So actually, I also need to fix this for the bushes. So if I start with this instead, so define beaver, you know, you got to till it to get rid of it, and then we can turn this to an elif, and then that'll work just fine. Cool. So I'm just going to let that run again. I'm also going to, yeah, we'll just let this go. So that's our beaver boy there. So let's just move on to a new function. I don't think, like I said, I'm trying too hard for something that's probably just not worth it at this time. So, you know what I probably could just do? Let's test one other thing real fast. So let's go to Donkey Boy. So let's just say if it's less than 160, I want you to trade carrot seeds, right? So let's just let that play out for a second. Let me just change this to like 5,000. So that way it'll, and then change this to 600 just so it plays out. So go. Why did he stop? Oh, because I went under the thresholds. I see. So because I went under the thresholds, I need to go get more. Idea. So if we pause this, you know, we can just kind of do. So if instead of doing this, right? No, we could just say if it's less than 0, like this is just a catch-all, right? However, what if we just add this within priority farming? So if in priority farming, we start off with our trading, and then I want you, if you have less than 160, I want you to get me a seed. And if you're less than 160 and less than, no, I have to do it like this. But then as soon as it uses 1 carrot seed, see, how can I be like, don't buy them if you have, like, if you have, wait, hold on, number of items equals 0. How do I say buy this? And you know, I'm kind of back into that same phase where I'm just trying to figure out how to buy X amount of them. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this as my catch-all. So within priority farming, I'm gonna start it with grabbing 250 carrots, right? Then Then it'll go into its next sequence of checking items. If hay is less than 5,000, if wood is less than 900, let's just change this to 7,000 so we can watch the whole sequence play out. So if it's less than 7,000, then you'll get hay. If wood is less than 900, then you'll get wood. And then if your carrots are less than 600, you'll get carrots. So I think this is actually going to work out just fine. It'll just take a moment to get caught up, but then we'll have a basis of carrot seeds, right? It is doing that, though. Let's see. So, grass is good. Wood is good. Let's see. Now... Oh, I did 900 wood. Right, that's fine. All right, final try. I think I got an idea. So, if num items carrot... Oops. Items dot carrot seed... Oopsies. Dot carrot... Damn it. Dot carrot seed is... equal to 0, I want you to run priority trading. Okay? I want you to run priority trading. Else priority farming. That way, now you'll automatically just buy you'll buy 250 seeds essentially right here as soon as you don't have any. So let's remove this from priority farming. Change this to an if. And I think we'll still keep the donkey boy in here. Like if you happen to have less than 1 seed when you're trying to plant, you will still do it. But that's just gonna be a catch fail. So let me do this. And then we'll hit play. So we're just going to get wood for a smidge until we hit 900. And now we're planting carrots until we get to 600. And you can see we're not trying to buy any more seeds right now, which is good. We obviously move way too fast for our own good. Let's pause for a second. I want to see what happens if we hit this. And then I'll change this to, well, actually, I don't need to change that. I'll change this to 1,000. Unlocks, let's just do a grass upgrade. So now, okay, I don't have enough. I'm just shy. Okay, we'll change this back to just 8,000 for the test. Actually, we'll set this to 7,500 for the test. 1,000 wood, and then this. So I want to make sure that it cycles back through. Yeah. So now I've got carrots. Let's make sure everything cycles in. And now grass is coming in just fine. Awesome. So I now know when I hit these numbers, everything will still work appropriately. Awesome. Okay, cool. There's some nice new automations for everyone. So we're going to set a priority trading. We'll get priority farming and trading over here. So I'll add new seeds here as we get them. Cool. We are doing really cool here. Okay. I'm happy I got that. So I wanted to be able to do that so that way he'll like continuously farm the carrots. Then we'll just keep this here. So let's go to where our next unlock. Variables? Sure. So variables are dynamically typed. Like in Python, it can be assigned like this. A equals 5. B equals can harvest. Oh, wait. So... okay, for beginners, you can think of it simply as naming containers that store value just like functions. Use the equals operator to declare a variable and store value in it. So declare a variable. So like A equals 5. So do not confuse that with the equals equals. Okay. Well, that could work out for us. Where'd my mouse go? I was off the edge of my platform here. Okay, cool. So let's do this. Let's pause you. I'm gonna change you to 10,000. I'm gonna change you Oops. 2,000, and then I'm gonna just change you to 1,000. So we can just let this thing run for a bit while we're doing other things. Okay. So actually, let me think. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out like new ways to use this equal sign. All right, I've got an idea that I think might work in order to allow us to adjust our warehouse stock. So we'll call this the warehouse, right? So I'm going to do this. So like if I did hay inventory equals 10, 1, 2, 3, right? And then I did wood inventory equals 2,000. And then I do carrot. Oh, let me do this actually. We'll do this. Crop storage. Okay. So we'll do wood, and then we'll do carrot inventory equals, I don't need that space there though. I think that breaks it. Carrot inventory equals 1,200. And then I come down here and I do seed storage, right? This is the seed storage. And then I do carrot seed inventory equals 250, right? So now with this right here, I think what I can do is, instead of saying priority trading, right? So where's my priority trading? Right here. So if carrot seed is less than carrot seed inventory, do that. Does this work? I think that works. And then I change 10,000 here for the hay to hay inventory. It throws me off that it doesn't auto select for me. And then I do wood inventory. I should have changed this to like stock, but I'm already too deep now. And then this will be carrot inventory. It's broken. I broke it. Let me see. Okay, I think I figured it out. So you can see I've got my code kind of all over the place right now. It didn't make a difference really. I wanted to try and have like warehouse out here like this so I could, you know, type how much wood and change it variably just as we were playing. But it's not working. However, because let me pause just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. If I take this out here, right? And hit play, it breaks because it tries to go into here and it doesn't understand what hay inventory is, even if the code's here. So it looks like the variable naming is only substantial within the coding box it exists in. So having it equal up here doesn't matter, unless maybe if I like obviously this is useless here, like unless I had it set elsewhere, for instance. So if I take this and I just kind of put that def in here and just kind of do this and hit play, priority farming was never defined. Oh, maybe sorry, I think it needs to be down here. Put that there. Oh, I broke it again? Is that too large? Oh, I literally just had it. Priority farming. Define priority farming. What did I do? Beautiful. Okay, we're looking good again. So we've got variables involved now. This was a nice little episode of tightening up our code here. So now we've got priority farming kind of set up with good inventory levels, as well as I can change them. I do have to pause it. So if I hit pause while he's in the middle, I can just change this to like, 3,000. Oh no, I can't change it. Damn, I have to stop it. That's the only downside, I suppose. I wish I could edit while it's in the middle of the code. That's why I wanted it in a separate box to kind of read that info, but that's okay. So we've got our inventory levels here, and then we have our priority trading down here, which will have our seed inventory, and we'll have our code just kind of defining that as well. I think in the next episode, we're going to go look at trees here. So trees are a way better way of getting wood than bushes. They yield 5 wood each. Just like bushes, they can be planted on grass or soil. Okay. Trees like to have some space, and planting them next to each other will slow down their growth. The growth time will double for every tree that is on one of the tiles directly to the northeast, south, or west of it. So if you plant trees on every tile, they will take 16 times longer to grow. I see. So then define. Oh, we have an even now? I didn't even know that. Even? Oh, wait. Oh, he's defining is even. N% 2 equals 0. I'll have to look into that integer because I don't understand that. But we're going to work on tree farming next time. So we'll get rid of our bushes. Actually, we might, I'll probably just do every other tile a bush and then the other tiles trees. So if you're ready to see how to plant some trees next time, make sure you hit that like button down below. Double check to make sure you subscribe for some more of that sweet indie content. But until next time, I hope the rest of your day is not too shabby.